Hello, good morning students. Today is my 18th lecture video class of class 9 geography from chapter 2. Yesterday I told you about the long question answers of chapter 2 of physical features of India. Today I tell you from question number 5 of the exercise question. Question is, which are the major physiographic divisions of the India? Contrast the relief of the Himalayan region with that of the peninsular plateau. Now write the answer. The major physiographic divisions of India are, that is the Himalaya mountain, the northern plains, the peninsular plateau, the Indian desert, the coastal plains and the islands. Now the question was, contrast the relief of the Himalayan regions with that of the peninsular plateau. Now listen about the Himalayan region. Himalayan region, it is young fold mountain made from the uplift of the strata formed by the sedimentary rocks. Number 2 point, it is consist of the loftiest mountains and deep valleys. Number 3 point, the ranges have I-shaped and U-shaped valley. Now about the peninsular plateau. It is created from igneous and metamorphic rocks after splitting of the Gondwana land. It consists of broad and shallow valleys and rounded hills. Number 3 point, it has horst rift valleys and trough. 3 point is enough. Not 3 point, you should write 2 points more about the Himalaya mountain. It is young fold mountain made from the uplift of the strata formed by sedimentary rocks. Consists of loftiest mountains and deep valleys. And peninsular plateau, it is created from igneous and metamorphic rock splitting of the Gondwana land. Consists of broad and shallow valleys and rounded hills. Now next question, question number 6. Give an account of the northern plains of India. Now write the answer. The northern plains have been formed from the alluvium that the mountains, rivers deposited here. This turned the soil on the surface land fertile for growing a rich harvest of variety of crops. This led to the development of the Indus River Valley's civilization. The rich soil was further aided by the favorable climate and constant water supply from the rivers. Between the mouth of the Indus and the Ganga Brahmaputra, the northern Indian plain covers a distance of 3200 kilometers. It is 300 to 150 kilometer wide at some places. The North Indian plains have the Indus River system in the west and the Ganga Brahmaputra river system in the east. The first includes Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Byas and Satluj. The Indus flows into the Arabian Sea. The second includes the Ganga, its tributaries, and the Brahmaputra drain into the Bay of Bengal. They form the world's largest and fastest growing delta, that is the Sundarban Delta. The difference in the relief has led to the North Indian plains to be divided into 4 zones, that is Bhabhar, Tarai, Bangar and Khadar. Okay, today it is up to. Next day I will tell you more about some long question answers. Okay, thank you students.